So let's wait for another minute.
Good morning, sir.
Let's wait for more students to join. Good morning.
Okay, sir. यम्मी जान दूध दे तुम्हारी तो पढ़ेगी पढ़ेगी सामने मेरी भी पढ़ जाएगी यही तो मैं चाहता हूँ जब तुम्हारी पढ़ती है तो मेरी और वही है तुम्हारी वो सिंगल ईयर वाला दुकान का डबल लगा लो ड्रामा
Okay, so we are starting now. Okay, next question. Yesterday we did some questions of linear equations. Okay, so I gave you some equations yesterday. Few more today. Solve this equation. 2x minus 3 whole upon 5 plus x plus 3 whole upon 4 is equal to 4x plus 1 whole upon 7. Solve this equation. Yeah, tell me the answer, all of you. You can send your answers in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Are you giving the answers, all of you? Yes, no one is giving the answer.
Sir, please
Sir,
wait
I'm
1 second.
Sir, I'm doing.
You're taking a lot of time in this. First, take LCM in these two terms. There are two terms in the LHS. First term is 2x minus 3 upon 5. Second term is x plus 3 upon 4. Take LCM in both the terms. Simplify it.
Sir, please don't tell. Please, sir. Just a minute, sir, please.
Sir, I have sent the answer in the chat box.
Okay. Mahi, your answer is correct. Harshita, it is not correct. Mayank, it is not correct. There is some mistake. Okay, I'm going to do it now.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Once.
Now you are taking a lot of time. 5 and 4, the LCM is 20. Okay, 5 divided by 20 is 4. 4 into 2x minus 3. Okay,
Sir, I have given my answer.
Avnish is not correct. Recheck. Look at the board. 20 divided by 4 is 5 and 5 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, 4x plus 1 upon 7. Now open the brackets. 8x minus 12 plus 5x plus 15 whole upon 20 equals to 4x plus 1 upon 7. Now 8x plus 5x, these are like terms. 8x plus 5x becomes 13x minus 12 plus 15 is equal to plus 3 upon 20 equals to 4x plus 1 upon 7. Cross multiply. 7 into 13x plus 3 is equal to 20 into 4x plus 1. 7 into 13 is 91. 91x plus 21 is equal to 20 into 4 is 80. 80x plus 20. Now take the term which is having a x in the LHS. 91x minus 80x is equal to 20 minus 21. 91x minus 80x, this is 11x, equals to 20 minus 21 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equals to minus 1 upon 11. This is your answer.
Sir, I sent the answer in the chat box.
Ayush, it is not correct. You can see the solution here on the board. Find your mistakes, all of you, those who have done mistakes.
Sir, my knowledge is correct.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Please do it.
Do it in less time. You're taking a lot of time. Two x minus 1 whole upon 3 minus 6x minus 2 whole upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, do this. 2x minus 1 whole upon 3 minus 6x minus 2 whole upon 5 equals to 1 upon 3. Solve the equation.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Mayank has sent, Mahi has sent the answer, Harshita has sent the answer. Okay, we will just check. Others? Okay, Mahi has changed the answer. Ayush Agarwal has sent the answer. We will check the what is the correct answer. Okay, now I'm doing it.
Sir, I sent the answer.
Okay.
Minus.
Yeah. Look at this. Again, you will take LCM in the first two terms in the LHS. 15 is the LCM. So 5 into 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 minus 3 into 6x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. Now 5 into 2x minus 1, 10x minus 5 minus 3 into 6 minus 18x. Minus 3 into 6x is equal to minus 18x. Minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to plus 6. Whole upon 15 plus 1 upon 3. Ten x minus 18x is minus 8x. Minus 5 plus 6 is equal to plus 1. 1 upon 3. Now you can take this 15 to RHS. Minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 15 upon 3. 15 I have taken to RHS and multiplied with the numerator. 15 upon 3 is equal to 5. Minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now plus 1 will go to RHS. Minus 8x, 5 minus 1, minus 8x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 upon minus 8. That means x is equal to 1 upon minus 2. You can say the answer is 1 upon minus 2 or even minus 1 upon 2. Both are correct. You can shift the minus sign in the numerator. So minus 1 upon 2 is the answer. Mahi has given the correct answer. And Mayank was very close. Ayush Agarwal was very close to the answer. Ranshir, what is the mistake you done? Avnish has given the correct answer. Okay, next one. Now I will be writing a word problem here on the board. You try to make an equation for it and then try to solve it. Okay. Yeah, the question is the sum of three consecutive natural numbers is 72. The sum of three consecutive natural numbers is 72. Find the numbers. The sum of three consecutive natural numbers is 72. Find the numbers.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Mayank has sent the answer. Okay. Mayank, your answer is correct. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Harshita, your answer is correct. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Others, post your answers. It is not
1
difficult.
minute, sir, please, sir.
Sir, I have given my answer.
Okay. Very good. Avnish, correct answer. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Ayush Agarwal, correct answer. Good. Yeah. So three consecutive numbers. You will assume that the first number is x. Now these are consecutive numbers. That means one after the other. If the first number is x, the second number will be x plus 1 and the third number will be x plus 2. लगातार का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means one after the other. लगातार जो आते हैं. Okay. So if one number is, suppose let us assume if first number is 35, तो next number क्या होगा? 36 होगा. और फिर next क्या होगा? 37 होगा. So what is the gap between these two numbers? The gap is of 1. The difference is 1. So x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. 1 1 का gap है देख लीजिए सारे numbers में. So this is how you assume consecutive natural numbers. Now the sum of all the three numbers is 72. So x plus 1, first number, second number, and x plus 2, third number. Sum of all the three numbers is 72. Now x plus x plus x. it becomes 3x, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 72. 3 minus 72 minus 3, 3x equals to 69. Okay. X equals to 69 upon 3. Therefore, x equals to 23. X is equal to 23. This is the value of first number. Now, what will be the second one? First is 23, second one will be 24, and third one will be 25.
Sir, because 23 plus 1 and 23 plus 2, like this.
Yes. So these are the three numbers, 23, 24, and 25. Next one. Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. Note down the question. Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. After 12 years, I hope you all are writing the questions also. After 12 years, note down the questions also. After 12 years, he will be twice his son. Twice his son's age. We are talking about the age here. Right now, Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. After 12 years, he will be twice as old as Rahul's age. Okay. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Done? First of all, you will assume that Rahul's present age is X and father's present age. If Rahul's present age is X, then what will be father's present age? His present age will be 3x.
2x.
3x, not 2x. Present age of father is 3x because he is thrice as old as Rahul. The father is thrice as old as Rahul. That means 3x is the present age of father. Now, what will be the age of Rahul after 12 years? Rahul's age after 12 years will be x plus 12 and father's age after 12 years will be 3x plus 12. दोनों की एज में 12 ऐड हो जाएगा. Okay. Now form the equation using the second statement. Form the equation using the second statement, all of you. After 12 years, he will be twice his son's age. मतलब फादर की बात चल रही है राहुल के फादर की एज ट्वाइस होगी 12 इयर्स के बाद. ट्वाइस द एज ऑफ सन.
Sir, I have given my answer.
Correct answer, Avnish. Very good.
Thank you.